All right, friends. So we are going to go over our assignment today. Today in class, we're going to play a game using this website, Scribble.io. If you want, you can play this with your family as well. They can log on, and it's really awesome. The other thing that we're going to do today is, if you have not been in class, or for some reason we need to do the assignment, you are going to review our drawing challenge. So our drawing challenge is to do a couple things here. So it says directions. Using the drawing tools or shape tools, draw a picture of 3 of the words in the slide. So I have an example here. I chose fork, clock, and cup, and I drew them. This is also just an example. You're going to do yours on the next slide. If for some reason it doesn't work, you can create yours using a new slide, which I will show you. So thinking about those words, I'm going to try to draw on this one. So I'm going to choose shoe, clock, and cup. So this drawing tool here, it's a line tool, but if you actually click down, it's got more tools. I like to use the scribble one. So you're going to click on that, and I'm going to try to draw my shoe. So I'm going to do like a simple shoe, and I'm just going to put some laces on it. Also, the one thing about this is once you get your first line done, you still need to click back onto the scribble. Okay. And I'm gonna put some shoelaces in. And I'm gonna go back up here and add the tie. And maybe just like yeah, perfect. So that's my shoe. And then I'm gonna use this text box tool, which is 1, 2, 3, away from that, and I'm going to write shoe. Okay. The next one I'm going to do is clock. So I'm looking at those words yet again here, and I'm drawing them here. So clock. I'm going to use the shape tool for this one. So the cool thing about this is the shape tool, which is right next to the line tool or the scribble tool, has a circle and then a square. And I'm going to find the circle to make the clock. And you can change colors too. Basically, you can fill the color. That's this pink bucket. So that can fill it. So let's say I do that. And I'm going to just change a couple things here. You can use these things. They do different things. This is a weight, like the outline of your drawing. I could also click on this, and I could change the weight of my drawing. Okay. And then I can add stuff, like I can add my lines. Let's say I want to add little minute, rectangles, and I'm going to add a bunch of them in there. So I'm going to copy them. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. Put them right on top. Whoops. Silly. Okay, I'm going to put this guy right here, and I can toggle them too. So that little tool there was what I call the toggle. It moves things around. Okay, so that is my clock. I can put some numbers in there by using the text tool. And let's see. Here's my text tool. Why are you not wanting to work? There you are. Okay, so I'm going to do 12 o'clock. And then I'm going to do 3 o'clock. And I'm going to do 6. And I'm going to do 9. So then I can put those in and put those on top. So that's 12, 3, 6, and 9. There's also arrow tools. So if I go back to my line, I saw that there was arrow tools, and I can make my arrow tool, and I could thicken it just like that. And then if I use that, I can turn it. Okay, So there is my clock. Two different ways to use. You can again use the drawing tool. It starts off with a line, so you'll probably see this shape here. But if you actually arrow down, you can scribble, you can draw. Here's my shape tool. You can do your shapes, arrows, different symbols like that. Also your text tool, which actually is your text box. Okay, so I'm going to write my word clock in here. Okay. If for some reason you can't draw in here, I'm going to have you go into File and go New Presentation. Okay. If you do that, you just made a new slide, and you can write your name right here in the untitled presentation. So I'm going to write J. P. Gorsh, and I'm going to do my drawings here. So I can use the drawing tool, and I can do my drawings in here. Okay. So any questions that you have? One more thing I wanted to add is when you upload your assignment, you're going to click here where it says add or create. You can add your file there, especially if you named it. It's easier to find when you actually put a name on your file. And then you're going to upload your file. And then once you're done, then you click this black button that says mark as done. Okay. Do not click this first because then you are handing me an empty assignment. Make sure you press add or create first. Hope this helps.